Welcome this video. Tiny house decor idea. Maximize space, style and functional. Tiny house are an innovation solved for those look to style their living style outdoor, comparing on comfort and aesthetic decoration. A smart space request create functional and an eyes for design. Here are some inspired tiny house decor idea that will help you make the more of your space well. Man enters a style and choosing entertainment. Maximize natural lights. Light play a choosy role in makes a smart space feel open and air. Long window, sunlight and glass door allow natural light to fall in give the volume to the bring room. Your shade or lights color choosy to maximize provide outdoor block sunlight mirror place statement for window also help left front light and make the space feel more experiment. Smart story solved. Smart is a choosy in tiny home to solve other for maxi multifunctional furniture such bed with both in draw optimize with height compartment and comfortable